Hello folks, welcome back. Another cooking show for you. In today's video, chicken and vegetables. Roasted chicken vegetables.
The grand finale. Slime. The half. Whoa! Oh my god.
In today's video, we're gonna use celery, onions, carrots, and we got chicken breasts, 3-pack. Look at that, folks. It'll be so delicious. And we got our Micheal and Avril style. Avril's gonna put it in the dish. We're gonna get started. Yeah, we'll put it in here. We'll get it in there, and we'll get our first video going.
I think it's better with bone because the bone makes it soft and adds.
Oh, this is with chicken breast with the bone?
Yeah, it's better.
Oh, nice.
The kids really like this.
Yeah.
So onion.
Yeah.
I just use these for flavor.
Oh, just for flavor? Oh, yeah.
Cut them in half. That's all I do. Stick them in there.
I
even put a roasted a bulb of garlic for flavor, but I ran out.
Garlic's good for you, eh?
I ran out.
Yeah. Sky's the limit with
I'm just gonna put them in
all vegetables, folks. Whatever vegetables you like, you can use in this dish. You like carrots, you use carrots.
At the end, I put broccoli.
You don't like onions, you don't use onions. You like garlic, you use garlic. Yeah. Yeah.
Sprinkle it.
You're gonna put broccoli in there?
At the end, yeah. But these are all gonna get small.
Oh, why don't you put the broccoli first?
Because the broccoli only takes like 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
You don't overcook it, the broccoli.
Yeah.
And then I put oil on it to make the seasoning stick.
Yeah.
If you have just
oil
it a nice little.
You could use water, folks, too, because
At the end, I'm gonna use water too. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Smoked
Show
paprika and
real
onion.
good. Look at that,
Smoked
folks.
smoked paprika. Can't say it.
Smoked paprika
and onion.
and onion.
All these seasonings, like you're not gonna taste them at the end. They're gonna all roast out. It's just for flavor.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna use some Montreal chicken.
Montreal chicken. Yep. Micheal and Avril style.
Avril style.
Micheal on the camera. Avril on the spice.
Then we're gonna even add some barbecue chicken.
Oh.
I was so happy shopping yesterday. I was in heaven when I got like 10 spices.
With the kids, eh?
Yeah, oh, even vegetables.
What's that
or
one?
The veggies.
Yeah.
It's good. When you roast vegetables or barbecue them, this is good. It's a vegetable spice, like vegetables. Get it on there. A little bit of everything. It's all gonna roast out. Like it's not gonna be a big.
What flavor will be in there for?
Garlic and crushed herbs.
Garlic and crushed herbs. Nice.
This is really good.
Look at the
And at the end, you can add potatoes if you want, or you can cook it on rice. Chicken, just chicken.
Chicken? Okay. Chicken spice, folks! Whoa!
You can get
Do I get any of this?
Probably not. You can probably get that carrot or celery there.
Okay.
Well, nobody eats the onion. You can have the onion.
Alright. I'll learn to like it.
Can I put some of this tahini in, Tara?
You could, yeah.
Wonder.
It's a little, it's mild.
It's mild, it's not
Tiniest
spicy?
bit.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
I approve.
But put the tiniest bit.
Tiniest bit.
I don't know.
Just a little, just to try it, you know?
Yeah, whatever spices you like.
Well, for tahini, I'm pretty sure, I don't know, they mostly eat it with like fruit.
Oh, like celery. Well, there's veggies in there.
Yeah.
And then, because
whatever spices you like, folks, you can
there, but we're gonna
you
put
can
a little
put it
bit
in.
of pepper.
Yeah. Sorry for everyone talking at once. A lot of ideas.
We're a big family. And
Yeah.
then we're gonna put just a little bit of pink rock salt. Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna add water and cover it.
Water and cover it.
We're gonna let it roast for
We'll preheat the oven to 400. Yeah.
We're gonna let it cook for an hour and a half. Then we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna add. If we have to add more water, we'll add more water. But we'll add our broccoli for the last 20 minutes, well, 10 minutes.
Always watch your cooking and look at it.
A cup,
Yeah. You can, if you, oil's not good for you, so if you want to stay healthy, you just use straight water. Don't use oil.
Yeah, just.
Oil's not good for you, folks.
Yeah.
Let that be educational.
Just kind of like halfway up. You don't want it.
Oh, yeah.
Open it and there's no.
It'll boil down anyways.
Yeah, it's gonna boil out. You don't want to open it and it's just dry.
Yeah.
And your meat's all dry. You don't want that.
Yeah. Okay.
Good.
Let's put the tin foil in. We'll put it in. We'll put it.
Shiny side up. No, shiny side up.
Chinese. Oh, that's the wrong way, folks. It's educational to me.
Shiny side.
So we'll flip that up.
Nice and good.
Yeah, it's gonna be good, folks.
Now
On a snowy day. Put the lights
An
on.
hour and a half to 2 hours.
We'll say 2 hours.
2 hours we'll put it in. Then at the last 10 minutes we'll open it, put some broccoli in. If you want to add potatoes, you cut them in half and put them in about an hour.
Yeah.
For the last hour.
Potatoes can go in too.
Yeah.
All right. We'll get it. We'll cook it for 2 hours, and we'll get back to you then, folks. Oh, there's the sauces I picked out.
Spices, my.
The spices, I mean. Yeah. Continuing on. Michael and Avril style. We just like to do these videos to be educational to others. Thank you. We'll continue on. We'll see you in 2 hours.
So it's been an hour. We're gonna check it. Well, we gotta take it out. It's really hot. It smells so nice in the house. Oh, goodness gracious Lord. So it's been an hour. Now is when you'll add your potatoes in. The grand finale. Slime. The half. Whoa! Oh my god. I shock myself every time, Tara. Ready? Okay, we're gonna baste it. This one has more juices. We'll put some over here just because it's that's how too. You want to put some. You want to kind of baste it once in a while. Put some on there so it's not dry. And we have a chance. There we go. Wash some of that seasoning there. These vegetables are already soft. See, they're almost. The carrot's almost done. Yeah, maybe another half an hour maybe, or another hour, but we'll add the potatoes. Maybe we'll add them to this one because it's bigger. Right. I'm just going to put them in whole like this. Some of the kids like potatoes. Some of them don't. Some of them like them on a bed of rice. Just got to make some room. The vegetables can come up, but you kind of want your chicken in the juices. You don't want your chicken to get dry. That's why you keep your chicken. Whoa, in the juices. Look, it's falling apart. There, okay. Like this. I'm gonna make some room here. Oops. Okay. Potatoes. I have like a bunch of kids that like potatoes, so. Potatoes will go in here. Put that on top. We're gonna add a little more water. Because that one's gonna cook for another hour. This one's gonna go in for another hour. Perfect. And then we're gonna add a little bit. There's something I wanted to put on here. Wait. Ooh, I forgot seasoning salt. Maybe more vegetable we'll put. Good. It's good to add a little bit more seasonings at the halfway point. This is like the halfway point. This is where I always stop. This one, yeah, wait, just wait. I'll talk about one first. What did I just put on there? Was it this one or the other one?
Is the other one?
I don't know. Okay. Oh well. This is going back in. This one, the big one will be in there for an hour. Another hour left for this one. Jeez, right. And this one, we're just gonna baste it a little. This one, I'm gonna come back and add. This is bone on, so let's give it a little look. Hang on.
It smells good.
Smells so good in here, eh?
Mm-hmm.
You know, the kids are just mouth watering, waiting for it. No, see, it's still a little pink in there. It's not ready. Yeah, so about probably another, yeah, half an hour, and we'll come back and add broccoli to this one. Well, we're gonna baste it a little. Yeah, it's really seasoned. It's really good. But you're not gonna taste all that seasonings when you're eating it. It's just gonna season your chicken just right. Kids like this one. Hey, we'll be back in an hour. It's been an hour and a half. One we're gonna take out and add broccoli. And we'll check. The other one should be almost done in 15 more minutes. The little one is gonna add broccoli. Remember, the big one has potatoes. 15 more minutes. That one will be done. Drum roll. Real cheap drum roll. Oh my god. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, look, the vegetables are all soft. So this one, we're just gonna add broccoli. Hang on, one of the kids will only, they love broccoli when I cook it like this. Never any left. I could put 4 of these in here and there'll be none left. It always gets eaten. I don't know about that. I'm just gonna put them in big like this because that's how they eat them. In there, just like a little bouquet, a little broccoli chicken bouquet. Yep. It's just gonna go back in there for a few more minutes, so. And just gonna put a little bit of water on there so the the seasonings will stick. And it'll steam. And then, remember vegetable? Vegetable. I always have seasoning salt. I always put a bunch of seasoning salt on these. And I'm gonna put some, this one again, garlic and crushed herb on it. We're gonna get it nice and steamed up. The last 10-15 minutes it's going in for this. Let's survive one more. It's gonna go in for 15 minutes, this one, and we'll take them both out at the same time. That will be an hour and 45 minutes. They'll both be done. While I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna make some minute rice for this one. Some of the kids like rice. Just throw some minute rice in the microwave. It's been an hour and 45, maybe 2 hours. We'll say 2 hours. A good 2 hours, folks. And I'm pretty sure our chicken is done. Can I get a drum roll for the chicken in the back? Oh yeah. Hot, hot, hot. I'll shut this off first. Michael never shuts off the stove. Drum roll. Whoa. The broccoli. Oh yeah. It's still a little crunchy, but it's just right. You want a little bit crunchy still. You don't want it really soggy. Get that in. Okay. Now this one. Whoa. So the potatoes are done. Oh yes. Everything is just soft. The chicken is done. See? Look at this. Ooh. Okay, I'll plate it up, but I just quickly made some rice. Microwave some rice for the kids that just like the broccoli, rice, and chicken. See? Gorgeous. 7 minutes in the microwave. I want me some Uncle Ben's. I'm waiting. Yeah, we'll make Michael a plate and he'll show you how to eat it.
Alright folks, I'm back. There's the meal. Chicken and celery, potato. They left me a little piece of broccoli. No more broccoli. The kids like broccoli. Alright, we'll have a taste test. Rice. Rice always tastes good.
Potatoes, kids like
carrots always, fresh farm carrots are good. Celery is good. All vegetables are good. I could taste it. You could taste that oil. God's flavor. And chicken.
All 5 kids like it, so everybody's kids might.
Oh yeah. The kids tested it out, so all the kids liked it, so we know it's good. Oh, another education. There's bones in there. Watch for bones.
We always tell the kids.
That's educational. We have to have that in there. But the bone gives it flavor. It's good with it. Yeah. Another bite for you. Good. How long did it take to cook, April?
I cooked it for 2 hours.
2 hours?
I told them how.
Oh yeah. She told you guys how. She said.
I showed them.
As long as it brings value to you, like educational, simple meals, we're happy.
Try it for your kids.
Yeah. Our kids liked it. Try it for your kids. April said.
Disappointed. Melt it in your mouth.
Yeah, you won't be disappointed. She says. Yeah.
You can use any seasonings you have. Use dash, seasoning salt.
Whatever season you like. All right. Hope this video was educational. Thank you. Bye for now.